I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, yeah. It all. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team.
How many of these things does he have? He's literally backing up the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one he's backing up right now. What is going on? My favorite one is this one, just because of the hood. Hood makes the world of a difference. Then the crew cab, then the Ram Bourbon, then the big truck, then that one. I'll say that's on the last on my list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the order they go in. And then obviously 6th. Actually, no, the Shorty's my favorite. So the Shorty, then the single cab, then the crew cab, then the Ram Bourbon, then the big truck, then his $200 beater. Then my black truck.
Big fella. Easy, big fella.
And the King Ranch is off the ground.
Literally.
Hand him the check back. Well, Thomas got me a keychain for my truck, but nothing's like a Florida cold start in the morning. Make sure she's in neutral. Oh yeah, like a kitten. Told you guys, first kick she fires, oh no, that was 2 kicks. First kick she fires right up, boys. Welcome back. Well, the Shorty hasn't started in about a week as well. So they didn't have the keys. So my girlfriend took the keys home with her back to Indiana. And Thomas had no keys here to start it or move it. So it's been sitting right here, looking good in primer and covered in soot. So we're gonna take this thing over to the car wash and wash it. But let's see how she starts after a week with the hood stack. Gotta make sure she's in neutral. Oh yeah. Fired right up. We like that. That one fires up too pretty freaking fast.
Like the yellow bumper. The yellow bumper is what does it.
I'm colorblind, it looks green. There goes the trans. Are you doing a burnout? Fucking idiot. Holy shit. Taryn's gonna be pissed. Backs right into his car.
Where we going, CJ?
Fucking Gabe ran out of fuel in the 2G. Thomas's 2G.
He says, hey, let me drive your race truck. Well, this is the race truck, not that one.
Just fixing to turn around.
Fucking idiot.
I
did one pull, and I got out of it. I was like, oh, maybe I just like airlocked it. I threw it in second, popped the clutch, literally just stopped right here. I was like, nice.
That's tough.
Where does he want to go?
Well, the shorty's putting in work for the first time. You got a Sprint back there you can't see, but Gabe is somewhere back there being.
Got a Mercedes.
Yeah, should have got a Mercedes. Hey, it's filming me.
Are you filling the frame up? Yeah, it needed some.
What did you do?
Maybe I windowed the block.
Wait, why is there oil pouring everywhere?
Then he bought his new one. Come on, scream! Scream! What? Ah!
That's a 1 ton. Ooh, that's a pretty clean bed.
How many tons?
A 1 ton?
One.
Yeah. 1. I am searching for one. I'm searching for a single cab long bed dually if you have one. If you don't have the dually, I can just convert it. It's not a big deal. Yep. Except for not a dually. But I want a single cab long bed. I know.
The auto. You know how to drive that.
Nope, it's an auto. I don't want it anymore. I have a ZF5 at the house though. I have a ZF5 with the
What is it, factory? Is it
Yes.
a factory 350?
I convinced everybody to just do burnouts whenever I get bored.
The ad literally said that you promoted don't do burnouts.
Yeah, it
Oh,
literally said no
did you
burnouts,
convince
no
him?
racing.
Oh. Yeah, fuck the ad. He said fuck it, fuck it. He said there's a cop right there. He said fuck it.
Oh, I don't think it's gonna do burnout.
You don't think so?
It makes like 2,000 horsepower, so that's okay.
Why did he go forward?
Oh, he changed his mind, my bad. Everybody. That thing don't do a burnout. Okay, maybe it does. You did it backwards.
American Forces on.
The trailer. The trailer was fucked. The truck just pulls it. All plants a little shot.
Look at it, moving the truck. You got a pilot's license?
Let's buy one just to throw shit into it. Let's buy one, just throw fucking, just chuck fucking watermelons into it.
Okay.
That'd be sick.
I would want one of these back.
dually. One I just built up in Indiana. He's gonna do his magic on his body. And yeah, Florida's so freaking hot.
Well, we got 2 gallons of it. We got a pink and a yellow, and we're mixing them together to create a color that no one else has. Right?
Should we black and white it right about now or no?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Alright, y'all ready? Let's be ignorant. Yeah, that's no bueno, Thomas. What are we doing? Beating on the bed?
Well, looks like I gotta start my body work now. Fucker.
My bad, Steve. I'm leaving.
Well, here's the sport bumper. Got cracked when the tire blew out, but the truck is literally almost ready for the primer stage. Besides that door, Gabe got a little slap happy with the door, so we got a new one. And this side, pretty sure Thomas has this side all done. It's got the bed all straight, and that's definitely not a gas cap. Back windows are out of it. Yeah, we gotta scuff the hood, scuff the roof. We're gonna get it all in primer today. Damn, I about got the rebound.
Nobody wants the dick anymore. It's a lost dick. We're gonna have no storage. We're gonna go to film tomorrow and we're gonna have no storage. Oh, why is there no
Storage is full. Stop playing with yourself.
I should quit YouTube. We bought 16 phones and filled them up with dick videos.
Yeah, I got one of your phones right here.